How can you provide the best service to your customers? When can you get ahead of the competition? The answer to these and related questions depend on one factor: knowing your customers. In this video, we want to use the buyer persona to multiply your marketing effectiveness and avoid wasting your valuable resources. Outline of this video. What is a buyer persona? Why should we have it? What information do we need to create it? How should we create a buyer persona for our business? And we will learn about how to use it and see real examples of buyer persona. What is a buyer persona? Everything in marketing revolves around one thing: the customer. How well we know about our customers and their needs can be our trump card over competitors in the market. One of the best ways to know customers more accurately after market segmentation and selecting the most appropriate segment is using the buyer persona. We talked about the market segmentation and the techniques of choosing the best market segment in the previous video. If you don't see that, I suggest you watch it here. A buyer persona is in fact a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer that can be achieved in different ways. In other words, this semi-fictional image represents a group of your audience who have shared common interests, fears, and needs. Why different methods? Because if you are a startup or an established company, there are several ways to build the buyer persona, and we will discuss about these methods in the following section. To summarize, if you have never encountered this term, I must tell you that marketers refer to their business's ideal customers as a buyer persona. Why should we have a buyer persona? If you are a startup and want to launch a new product, how do you identify the most critical features of your product? How and where do you find your target customers? And if you are an established business, how do you develop your new product? And which features do you add or subtract? The reasons mentioned above are just a few of the most important reasons for developing a buyer persona for different businesses. In fact, without knowing who our ideal customer is and what their needs and concerns are, how can we offer a product or service that meets their needs? How can we run successful advertising campaigns without knowing what networks and media they use or what magazine and books they read? Without knowing their motivation or fears, how can we create a marketing message not lost in a mass of advertising messages? Let's take a closer look at the reason businesses need buyer persona. Your marketing activities are divided into two general categories: inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Inbound marketing, which has received a lot of attention from marketers in recent years, is any marketing activity to produce relevant and useful content for target audience and community. In fact, in this way, customers use search engine and social networks and other methods to access our content and get to know us. In this marketing method, how can we produce content that benefit our audiences when we do not know them exactly? The opposite is outbound marketing, where you try to reach your audiences by using ads. Question: how can we write the right business message without knowing the audience? As you can see, the buyer persona is not only a useful tool in the hands of business owners and marketers, but in today's world, it's an essential tool you have used it. What information do we need to make the buyer personas? A buyer persona is a detailed description of your audience which represent your ideal customers. It's a fictional person who shows your best potential customer characteristics like demographics, such as gender, age, race, number of children, occupation, annual income, education level, and religion. Geographics, items like country, city, province. Psychographics, like habits, values, hobbies, pain points, hopes, and motivational reasons. What are the characteristics of practical buyer personas? Remember that the main reason for creating a buyer persona is identify and satisfy customer needs. For this purpose, all members of relevant teams should be present when preparing the buyer persona. Main feature of the right buyer persona. They are simple and all team members can understand them easily. They are regularly updated. This item is more for startups. They tell customer stories containing not only information and details such as gender or age, but also the reason customers need our services. How should we create a buyer persona for our business? As I said before, the purpose of building a buyer persona is to identify customers' need for providing a better user experience, and what better source than customers themselves to identify them. Whenever you need to sell a service or product, you can use buyer persona. For example, many of the world's leading companies use these techniques for their customers and others who affect the decision-making process, like CEOs and CFOs. How to create a buyer persona? There are two general methods for creating buyer personas: internal and external. Internal methods include brainstorming with your team members or interview with the sales and marketing teams. Brainstorming. This method is generally recommended for startups and companies that have just started their business and do not have many customers. Although practical personas must be based on the research, you can start with assumption if you don't have enough customers. But during the product evolution, you can complete your personas by conducting interviews and asking your prospects. In this way, team members talk about their ideal customer and mention their characteristics. Interview with your sales and marketing teams. Your marketing and sales teams are the closest unit to customers and can provide you the best information about your customers. Talk to them and ask them for more information about your customers. External methods. In this way, you can provide information about your customers throughout interviews or online survey. Real example of buyer personas. Real example of buyer personas. In this section, I will mention an example that I recently ran for one of my clients. My client is developing an application in the field of crowdfunding exclusively for amateur singers and composers. Therefore, one of our initial suggestions after market segmentation and targeting the best segment was to provide a buyer persona. To prepare a buyer persona, we talked to 5 potential customers and collected information in all 3 areas such as demographics, geographics, and psychographics. After that, we consulted with the team members about the interview's outcomes. In the below, I dissect the outcome of our research and consulted with the team. You can find the template and even you can download it. If you like this kind of content, I highly recommend that follow us on the Twitter and subscribe our YouTube channel.